Hey guys, welcome back. Today we enter into a new function for time, that is R. R function is usually used to extract the R component from a given time value or a serial number. It retrieves the integer number ranging from 0 to 23. So 0 is the 12 a.m. at midnight and 23 is the 11 p.m. at night. So it is categorized under date and time value, as I told you. Now suppose you want to pinpoint only hours to identify incident frequently occurring in a city. I usually use this for trying to find out how many hours a particular person has worked for the entire day. Or if I want to understand which are my peak hours while running a marketing campaign, I use this hours function to get that specific hour and then try to find out the performance for that particular hour. Usually, the syntax of R is you specify R, then the open brackets, then you specify the date text, date, or the serial number that you have for your time. Sorry, either you specify the time or the serial number for that particular time. Yeah, so let's use this function on the various formats that we have over here, and let's try to find out whether it gives you the right output or not. Yeah, but before we get into the formula, you need to remember that time values are part of date and are denoted by a decimal point number. Okay, so you'll always get it after point. If the invalid time, if you have an invalid time, then it will give a value error. And if the serial number contains a negative number, it will give you a num error. Yeah, so we'll see that as well. Okay, so let me use it for R. It should give me 15 hours. So let me say is equal to R. I select the time that I have over here, close the bracket and say enter. So it is 15 hours because it is 3 p.m. It is not 3 a.m. If I specify it as a.m., then it will give me 3. See this? Since it was p.m., it gave me 15 because 12, after 12, it is 13, 14, 15. Yeah. Same way, let's see if I am able to get it for this particular format. Yeah, it is able to fetch the R. Again, let's see if it is able to fetch for this format. Again, it is giving me the same answer. If I run it on a serial number with the same, which I have for this particular time, it should still give me 50. Yeah, let's see whether it is able to do it for this particular format. Yes. Now, as I said, for serial number, which has a negative R, let's see what it gives. Yeah, it gives me a value error. Yeah, let's see for a text if I'm able to fetch. Yes, it is able to convert a particular text into a value and the time value, and then it fetches the R. Yeah, so if you have incorrect R being specified here, it will give you a value error. Yeah, and even if I try to specify an R as minus 12, it will give me a num error. So you cannot have a negative integer being specified into an R or serial number being specified into an R, which will give you an error like this. Yeah. So just to make this story a little bit short, saying that R specifies the R of a specific time. If you want to just pull or extract the R of a specific time, you can use R function in Excel. As you have seen, you can also fetch a R component from a time specified as a text string by merging it with the time value as well. But usually if you have a text string, it automatically converts it into time and it fetches the R value. It does that. The recent versions of Excel does it automatically. But if you use previous version, you have to use it in combination with time value to first convert it into time value and then fetch the R from that particular text. Yeah. Hope I was able to make this concept clear about R function in Excel to fetch the R in a time. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any topics in this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you're going to get all this free videos directly to your inbox. And yes, that will keep me subscribers will keep me motivated to create such free content for your people. Thank you so much.